Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and click the bell icon for further notifications. Here the question has been picked from the year 2024. It says the value of the integral from log 3 to the base e. Lower limit is log 2 to the base e to the power of 2x minus 1 over e to the power of 2x plus 1 dx is. The options are log 3 to the base e, log 4 to the base e minus log 3 to the base e. Third option is log 9 to the base e minus log 4 to the base e. Fourth option is log 3 to the base e minus log 2 to the base e. Here they have provided log to the base e. That means it's a natural logarithm. Instead of giving us lnx, they have provided like this, both means the same. So log to the base e we are going to figure out now. The question has been given in terms of e power x. So that means do we need to use this? This formula we have learned earlier in our very first video under our integration topic. Whenever the question appears in the form e power x, it's advisable to go for this formula. Here are we going to use this means? No. Why means when e power x has been given, along with that none other function has been given like sin x or even log. Nothing has been given. Simply e power x is there. Okay, the question is complicated, then that means what we have to do, we need to go for substitution technique. So substitution technique, if you want to try, it's a fraction question. So denominator will be assuming as our u and we will be differentiating it. With respect to x, we are having 2 and 1 dx. Is it matching with the given question? No, it's not at all matching. Then what we should do? We need to make some arrangements. Here we need to rewrite them. So let's see how to rewrite them. First of all, we'll try to simplify this particular function. And then we'll get into integral. So e power 2x minus 1 over e power 2x plus 1. Here e power 2x means 2 e power x is there. So we can factor 1 e power x. So under e power x we are going to write inside the bracket. Here only 1 is there. That means a constant is there. In order to cancel it out, we are going to write the counterpart on the bottom. So that if we cancel them, it becomes 1. For that reason, we are writing e power x on the bottom. So now we will rewrite them again as it is. And on the bottom, again we are going to do the same kind of approach. So again, e power x. We are writing inside the bracket for e power 2x plus 1 over e power x. Now it's getting cancelled nicely. So that means the simplified version will be e power x. 1 over e power x can be written as e power minus x. And on the bottom, e power x plus e power minus x. To avoid the fraction, we can write them as a negative power. So this is a simplified version. So instead of the question, this one we are going to write now. So it becomes, we'll assume that as I. So from log 2 to the base e to log 3 to the base e. And this expression we should write down. Now we can follow our substitution technique. It will work out nicely. So here if you look into the bottom thing is e power x plus e power minus x. We are going to differentiate this. Derivative of e power x is e power x, and here e power minus x as it is, but with respect to x, if you are differentiating, minus sign will come in front. And dx. Now it's matching nicely. So we can replace everything with our t. So the entire numerator can turn as dt over t. Here we are not going to change our limits. We are going to keep as it is, or else as of now, no need to consider the limits itself. We can do our integration directly. At the final stage, we'll think about substituting the limits. Because limit has got e, but our integrand, the value whatever we wrote now, it's in terms of t. So first we'll do the integration properly with respect to t, and then we'll think about substituting the limits. So integral of dt over t is log t. It's pretty straightforward. So t is nothing but our assumption. So e power x plus e power minus x. Now we can think about substituting the upper limit and then the lower limit. The concept is upper limit minus lower limit. So first we are going to write the upper limit. In in place of x we are going to write the upper limit. So log 3 to the base e, and here we are having a minus sign outside, again log 3 to the base e minus lower limit. Log of lower limit is this one, e power log 2 to the base e minus, the expression is plus only but the power is minus, so log 2 to the base e. Minus we are writing outside. So here log and exponential are inverse functions to each other. That means opposite of plus sign is minus, opposite of multiplication is division. Likewise, they are inverse functions to each other, so we can cancel them directly. So it becomes 3. Straight away we are getting the number 3. Now here we have got minus sign in front. So for this we are going to use our rule, the logarithmic rule, power rule. It says whenever you are having the power in front, the value in front, you can express them as a power for the function as it is. So that one we are going to try now. So minus sign becomes 3 to the power of minus 1 actually. If nothing is there in front, it means 1 is there. We need to interpret that as 1. That is the meaning. So minus 1 becomes a power. Here log of, this gets cancelled nicely. So 2 plus e log to the base e, 2 inverse. Power is inverse now. Now again, they are getting cancelled nicely. E and log are inverse to each other. So we are getting 2 inverse straight away. I hope you are able to follow. Now, the thing is that here we have got 3 to the power of minus 1. 3 to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 over 3. And this is 3 plus. Here, 2 plus 1 over 2. Now we can take LCM. And along with this, we can use our rule, logarithmic rule. That is log of a over b can be written as log a minus log b. So we have got log a minus log b. Before writing in this form, we'll try to take LCM. This is actually 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1, 10 over 3 minus log of 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. Now this we are going to write in this format. So log of a over b. So 10 over 3 over 5 over 2. That means we can cancel the numbers because bottom fraction can be written